I couldn't have imagined how versatile soldering irons could be until I discovered these two new products from RYOBI, the 1+ 18-volt soldering iron and soldering station. These days, a soldering iron has more than just one use. Obviously, it's great for soldering electronics, but you can also use it for wood burning, fabric cutting to reduce fraying, even touching up 3D printed models. Now check this out. The 4 tips that come with this station, the point, the chisel, the drawing tool, and even the cutting knife can be stored here on the unit, as well as the soldering iron and this little cleaning sponge. This little adjustable temperature dial is really handy as well. It allows you to turn the station on and off, but also adjust the temperature from down in the 200s right up to about 480, depending on the project that you're working on. It's part of the 1+ family, so that means the one battery do all the tools in the range. Now, if you're after a lightweight, compact soldering iron, I reckon this one's a little cracker. And I'm gonna give you a hot tip. If you're thinking to add a tool to your toolbox, think about a RYOBI 18-volt 1+ soldering iron or soldering station.
RYOBI, a cut above.